What's up, hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction, the live price change occur in Zilliqa coin. So what's the change goes in Zilliqa at this time and the previous last one day, last 1 hour, what is the current status of Zilliqa coin in the cryptocurrencies markets. So in this video I will show you. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. I update you every hour from a new cryptocurrencies news. Friends, as you can see now on the screen, friends, that is the last 1 hour price prediction. The change occur in the Zilliqa coin you are watching now, friends. The every change occur in the Zilliqa coin in the last one day is changed. The negative 3.01% change goes and the Zilliqa coin in the last one day, and the high price is dollar 0.221787 dollar is the high price of the Zilliqa coin in the last one day, friends. Now it's time to look the technical analysis, the price charts of the Zilliqa coin. As you can see here, and they are trying to explode, they are trying to jumping upward, but after some jump they again falls down. As you can see here, if you look this period of the Zilliqa coin, so this period is absolutely a falling period of the Zilliqa coin again starts now. So it's really bad news for all Zilliqa coins holders, but don't lose hope, because maybe they goes upward in the future. Now let's see the last 1 hour price change occur in Zilliqa coin. Friend, that is the last 1 hour price prediction live you are watching now. As you can see here, the change occur in Zilliqa coin in the last 1 hour is a negative 0.74% because they falls down continuously. As you can see here now, at this time they are also in the falling mood. That is why the change are in negative 0.74%. And the high price of the Zilliqa coin is dollar 0.209377 dollar is the high price of the Zilliqa coin in the last 1 hour, friends. And if we look the Zilliqa coin price predictions, as we can see here, a dollar 0.207412 dollar is the high current price. Sorry, that is the current price of Zilliqa coin now in the market is dollar 0.207412 dollar is the current price of Zilliqa coin in the market, friends. So friends, I am not a financial advisor, so my suggestion for all of Zilliqa coin holders, that my suggestion for you to please hold your Zilliqa coin because they are also in the falls. As you can see, the change is negative. The both last one day, last 1 hour, both changes are negative. My suggestion for you, please wait for their best time, wait for their big pump, the huge pump are coming soon. So wait for it. That will make you a good amount of profit. So wait for it. Now currently at this time they are in the loss. So soon they start pumping. So wait for it. And if you want to buy as a Zilliqa coin, so my suggestion for you, it's not the best time to buy Zilliqa coin because they are in the farming mode. What's your opinion about Zilliqa coin? Please share in the comment box and make sure subscribe Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.